Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to achieve this look, keep watching. I already prepped my eyelids and I did my eyebrows, so now I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette. I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this neon orange and I'm just going to pack that in my lid. So now that I laid that like neon orange down, I'm going to go back in with the James Charles palette and I'm going to take this shade and I'm just going to use my fingers instead of a brush. And I'm just going to pack it on my lid. So now that we popped that pink in, I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to lightly blend it with that orange. I'm going to take the brush that we used this shade in, and I'm just going to top off the excess and just blend it right on top of the hot pink. Alright y'all, now that I blended that, I think I want to go in with this shade. And I'm just going to take my finger again and I'm just going to pack that right on top of that hot pink. I'm going to go in with a little bit of rose water. I'm just going to spritz my finger just a bit and just intensify that purple. I'm going to be taking this reddish orange and I'm just going to pack that right next to the purple we laid. The purple is really cute, but I want to go in with this shade and just pop it right on the center. Blend it out a little bit. And then go back in with the purple. And then just pack it right next to it. Just like that. I'm going to go back in with this shade. And I'm just going to blend it on top of the brow bone. To pin my hair back. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to use my foundation. I'm going gonna use a back of this brush. I'm only going for like light coverage. I'm not trying to do anything too full coverage. Let's start with this much. With a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to set my face. Now I'm going to go in with a clean fluffy brush and I'm just going to wipe off all the excess powder. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go in with my Bronze Please and I'm just going to bronze my face. Go in with my eyeliner. I'm just going to do a simple wing. Now that I'm done putting eyeliner on, I'm going to go in with this shade, and I'm just going to sweep that underneath my lash line. Now that I'm done applying that to the bottom lash line, I'm just going to add my false lashes. that I'm done applying my false lashes, I'm just going to go in with my mascara. I'm just going to apply that on the bottom of my lashes. Go back in with the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to highlight. I'm going to be using this shade. I'm just going to highlight on my nose, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and then going in with my fanning brush. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go take off my hairpin. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys like this. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. See you guys next time.